Alright, so I got a 21 Highlander, 5,000 miles. Customer states whistling noise while driving. And I've already adjusted these all the way down. That sounded much better. It's kind of trial and error. I like to put it all the way down, test drive it, then see if I hear the noise again. I heard the noise, the first time I heard it going about 35 or so. I got these two bottomed out as far as they go. Now I'm going to move them all the way up. I'll take it on another test run and see if that fixes it. But most of the time, it is the seal that runs along here that needs to be replaced to prevent that whistling sound. Now in this case here, it sounds like to me it sounds like a dog whistle. Just a very high pitched whistle sound. Trying to get this in. I like to get kind of started. So I have it all the way down. I didn't hear it till going about 55 or so. So now I'm just going to move it all the way up, and I'll see if that changes anything, just for temporary until I can get the part ordered. So I got these little bump stops all the way up without them falling out. Take it on another run and see if that makes a difference. This is something that you can do. I've had it work twice, just adjusting these, and the whistle sound, wind noise, gone away. So like I said, it's just trial and error. If that don't fix it, like I said, replace this piece here. Now I know there's some that I've had where it's not the hood, it ends up being like the side mirrors on it. Now Toyota hasn't pushed out a TSB that I'm aware of, but they are trying to come up with the solution on how to fix it by putting foam. I don't know exactly where, but they want you to put it somewhere. I think either behind the mirror inside of the door or inside the door panel where the mirror bolts onto. But I haven't seen them come out with that just yet. So I'm about to take it on a run. I'll see if that fixes it.